I'm about to send this shit. I'm about to send this shit to World Star, man. What happened, man?
Shaking that shit, I was like, what the fuck?
Hey, Mo.
What the fuck was going on? The whole school started shaking up.
This shit going on World Star. Hey, Lee, son. You better be in World Star, son. Fucking school about to come down and shit about to...
I'm getting on a roller coaster. Something bad comes. Something big. I'm be on the roller coaster. When the drop comes, I'm getting.
Y'all niggas think I'm bullshit. This shit.
Show them the whole crowd. It's show them the crowd.
Know what I'm saying?
This ain't even the whole.
Yeah, this not even the whole school.
Niggas like, what the fuck?
Yeah, niggas. Hey, Charles. Stop being World Star, nigga. Let's see if I got a game. Nigga, y'all niggas ain't got no game. Y'all gonna throw football and you be right here. That's like, this should be that way. Not, alright. You know, earthquake. 2012.
2012 like shit.
It is what it is. End of the world. About to go fuck a bitch real quick or something. About to go fuck somebody. Like a girl.
Like a girl.
Yeah. I mean, I ain't mean to say that.
Look at that ass.
So I'm about to get on take. I know. Nah, boy, this shit gonna World Star.